It's not quite Christmas, but the trees and bushes outside Brighton's Elizabeth Wendy Breast Clinic are getting special treatment this month.
Well, today we're doing a tree lighting. It's called the Tree of Hope. It's for the 10,500 patients that we've diagnosed since the 30 years that Dr. Wendy Logan Young has entered and opened our clinic.
As part of National Breast Cancer Awareness Month, the clinic has lit up the shrubbery outside its office to show solidarity in the fight against breast cancer.
It's important to me to remind women to have a mammogram and to do self-breast examinations. It's an important reminder that we do good work here. We are diagnosing cancers, and women are living, they're surviving. It's a sign of hope.
In a ceremony attended by about 20 members of the staff and members of the media, the clinic turned on their 2007 Lights of Courage display October 1st.
Our clinic is totally dedicated to breast cancer. This is all we do, and it's the second most commonly diagnosed cancer in women. It's a huge amount of women who will be diagnosed with breast cancer, and if we can detect these cancers early, less than 1 centimeter, these women will go on to live normal lives with their husbands, children, and grandchildren, and that's what we want.